In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Migrate Google Workspace account. I'll transfer Google Drive and Docs Gmail 5 minutes. We're focusing on moving Google Drive and Docs ownership between two users using the Google Admin Console. This is perfect for offboarding an employee, reorganizing teams, or consolidating content. You'll need an administrator account with permission to manage Drive settings, and both users should be in the same Google Workspace domain. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com with your admin credentials. Once you're on the admin homepage, open the Apps section. This is where all the Google Workspace services are managed. From there, go to Drive and Docs to access the settings that control file ownership and sharing for your organization. Inside Drive and Docs, look for the option labeled Transfer Ownership. This tool is designed for exactly this task, moving all my Drive files owned by one user over to another user while keeping existing sharing intact. On the transfer screen, enter the email address of the current file owner in the From User field. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct account, especially if your organization uses aliases or similar usernames. Next, enter the email address of the destination user in the field for the new owner. This is the person who should become the owner of all the original user's Drive files and docs. When both addresses look right, click Transfer Files. That's the entire action. Behind the scenes, Google begins moving ownership of all files the original user owns in My Drive. The new owner will get a special folder in My Drive that contains the transferred content, typically labeled with the original owner's name or email. Existing sharing permissions usually remain as they were, so collaborators keep their access, but the original owner will no longer be the owner after the transfer. A few helpful notes as it runs. This process doesn't move items in shared drives, and it won't transfer files the user doesn't actually own. It also doesn't migrate Gmail messages or labels. Those require a separate migration method. Depending on how much data you're moving, the transfer can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. You may receive an email when it's complete. It's a good idea to ensure the destination account has enough storage available and to keep the source account active until the transfer finishes. And that's it. You've used the admin console to hand off Drive and Docs ownership from one user to another quickly and safely.